Hello. Dell is a long-standing proponent of open networking and partnering. So let's find out more using a practical example. I'm with Jonathan Seckler from Dell and David Robinson from STT. Jonathan, thanks for joining us. Tell us how you see the network today.
You know, the challenge with networking today is that it's very similar to how the server market was 20 years ago. 20 years ago, a lot of your mission critical applications were running on mainframe type technologies or proprietary systems in order to provide a very high level of availability and to minimize the risk. The problem with that is that as technology has progressed toward a more open framework, the server market has evolved to leverage these open standards, and the risks have gone down, the costs have gone down, and has created a lot of opportunities for flexibility and innovation in the data center. We see that same point of inflection for networking today, where we can leverage open source software, we can leverage open technologies, we can leverage industry standard platforms to turn that world into what we at Dell call open networking.
Dell has stressed the importance of open source. What does that mean for you in a networking context?
That's actually a very good question. I mean, open standards and open compute, as well as open networking, are fundamental to the delivery of our business. Our business is private cloud, but when you cut through all of that technology, it's all about experience. And an experience is, you know, I leave Singapore, I get to London, I turn on my phone, I go to Facebook, and my data is actually there with me. This is the type of experience we're trying to deliver, and this is only really possible due to open standards, and that's why we're a strong proponent of that.
Can you give an example of how you've implemented open technologies?
Certainly. So we deploy private clouds on a global scale. With that, we've looked at it from, of course, the tiers of compute, storage, and networking, and we've actually embraced open source and open standards, each one of those tiers. So at the compute and storage, we have embraced OpenStack, and we're running the Liberty version. And with that, it's a very complex project. What we've done is we're focused on infrastructure as a code. So we've taken that and we have fully automated the entire process that provides a highly available, agile platform. And we're able to deploy that in approximately 40 minutes. Going one up, network was the challenge that we faced. And with that, there's a number of players in the SDN market space. We went through and evaluated a number of them, and we decided to go with Big Switch. One of the things that actually attracted us to Big Switch was their support for open networking standards, and of course that then helped us seal our relationship with Dell. This gives us what we need to achieve global scale.
And what's your vision for the future of the open network?
You know, the beauty of open networking is that it will continue to evolve to take advantage of industry standard technologies, to take advantage of the capabilities that vendors like Dell can provide, but also the capabilities and the innovations that our customers like STT Connect can deliver. And the future of the network really is going to become one where there is an ecosystem of innovation, where open networking is a partnership, just like the partnership that we have with our customer STT Connect.
Jonathan, David, thank you both very much for joining us.
Thanks.
Thank you.